This is my demo of the Skit App Manager, the Pro version. The app has a free version, it has limitations. I didn't test it before. The app is able to install and backup applications. It also displays useful information about the apps you have on your device. Let's open Skit.
Volume changer. Sound assistant. Skit. Application icon.
By default, the apps list is displayed. On the bottom of the screen, I have the main tabs, which are from left to right.
Analytics tab. Apps tab selected. Tools tab. Settings tab.
On the top of the screen, in the apps list, I have
Search text box.
which is used to search.
Apps settings button.
App settings. Tapping here will give me the ability to
View type.
to specify if I want the view to be list or grid, and
Visibility. User checkbox. System uncheck checkbox.
if I tap this, I will be seeing also the system apps in the apps list.
Sort by.
And I have the sorting.
Title checked radio button. Package name unchecked radio. Install data. Last update date unchecked radio button.
So I can let it sort the apps list by any of those.
Size unchecked. Close button.
I can close and I can apply my changes.
Apply button. Close button. Skit.
In the apps list, I have the app, then the package name. If I swipe, I will be having a button with the name of the app. Tapping this button will mean that I'm selecting the app. And if I
acrphonecom.nll. acrphone button. aphcom.n. aph button.
So I'm swiping.
asrcom.n. asr button. asr license. acapella tts voices.com. accessible android.com. accessible.
So I tapped on the accessible Android button. Above the main tabs on the bottom, new options appeared. I find it more convenient to use swiping after I put my finger on the top.
Collapse button. Search text box. Apps settings button. Selection button.
So after I reached search, I just swiped. I have selection, which will allow me to select all or deselect all.
Selected 1.
The number of selected apps.
Extract button.
Backup. Extract means backup.
Delete button.
And the delete, which means uninstallation.
Phonecom.nll.
Tapping on another app was selected, but as you are able to notice, you can't know the state of selection. So this is the case with both TalkBack and T-Show. I have 2 apps selected, and I'll tap extract.
That voice allowed reader. Search text app selection button selected. Extract button. Extracting. Batch extraction finished. Batch extraction of the selected apps has been completed with the following results. Success 2. ACR phone. Close button. ACR phone. Accessible Android. Close button. Skit.
I can specify the folder where I want the apps to be backed up in settings, the settings tab.
Android Accessibility Suite com.google.android.marvin.talkback.
So I tapped on Android Accessibility Suite. And I now have information about the app as well as
Android permissions, components,
the ability to tap on permissions to view permissions, component,
certificate,
manifest.
information.
I'm now in the information.
Package name
App.
com.google.android.marvin.talkback. App type split. App. Install location internal storage. Minimum OS Oreo 8. Information. UID 10,000. Target OS Android 14. Install date the 13th of September. Last update date the 22nd of January 2024. Usage, all time. Usage, all time. Permission required button.
To get more usage details, I should give it the necessary permission.
Apps usage. Cancel button. To display more details about the app's usage, including memory usage, you need to get special permission in the system settings. Cancel. Request button.
I can tap on request.
Skit. Screen time less than a minute.
Okay, so I went back.
Last time used. Times opened 0 times. Data usage. Data usage. Wi-Fi down pointing arrow 0B. Data usage. Mobile down pointing arrow 0B. Up pointing arrow 0B. Storage. Permission required button.
Also, I need a permission to view storage details.
APK, base 27.31 megabytes. APK, splits 148 megabytes. Cache. Data, directories, apk/data/app/jdgxs27u8. Permissions. Components.
Let's see components.
Activities.
I have the activities.
Notification activity. Gesture change. Label manager package. Label managers. Label import. Training activity. Permission request act. Talkback preferences activity com.google.android.marvin.talkback.
If I tap on one of the activities,
Options.
double tapping, I have
Option. Launch.
the ability to launch the activity,
Check details.
to check the details,
Create shortcut.
and to create a shortcut and add it to the home screen.
Launch.
So if I launch this,
Skit. Talkback settings.
it opened Talkback settings,
Talkback settings.
Google's Talkback settings.
Skit.
I can search, of course.
Search button.
Other than the activities, I have
Help. Activities tab. Services tab.
services,
Broadcasts tab.
broadcasts,
Providers tab.
providers.
Talkback preferences.
I'll go back and
Android accessibility settings button.
I will not check the other tabs because I'm not. I'm just giving an overview. Okay, so going back
Tools tab.
to the main page where I have the main tabs.
Apps tab selected. Analytics tab.
The first tab on the left at the bottom is the Analytics tab. Here I will be shown information related to my device, like the Android version, security patch date, RAM, available RAM, used RAM, and the number of apps.
Apps tab selected. Tools tab.
I have the tools, which contains
Tools. Split APK control. Settings tab. Split APK install or install split APK apps in APKs format.
I can install applications using this installer. I can just open and browse.
Apps list save apps of your choice in a text file for further usage.
Okay, so this is the apps list. Here I can create a list containing the apps that I want or all the apps that I have. And it will be saved in a text file. I can share this text file. Let's see.
This tool allows you to create a list with apps of your choice in a text file format. Lists. Test apps, 480 the 22nd of January 2024, 0:28 and 18 seconds.
This is a list that I created before.
Share button.
I can share it
Delete button.
or delete it.
Options button.
I have options
Options.
that will
Options. Create. Import.
a new list or import.
Create. Create apps list.
I'll see the create.
Create apps list. 3 button navigate up. Create button. Selection button. Title text box.
I have the list of applications. All of them are unselected. If I double tap on any of them, it will be selected. The state also will not be announced. If I tap on
Selection button.
selection,
Select all.
I can select all,
Deselect all.
deselect all,
Select user.
select the user apps
Select system.
or system apps. I'll select user
Select
apps.
user. Skit.
Let the title be
L.
just list.
I. S. Her. Switch input. Delete. Done. Create button. The apps list was successfully created.
Let's go back.
Split APK inst. Apps list. Analysis.
Analysis.
Apps lists. Statistics. Detailed statistics for all of user and system apps.
This is the main title. Then I have statistics
Apps usage reports including time spent and data used.
and apps usage report.
Analyzer get complete information about external APK file.
And I can have information related to APK files.
Analyze apps usage. Statistics. Detailed
I just
statistics for
want to show you the statistics here.
install location. Install location. Automatically.
So I have like the main title and then what I can select.
Internal storage. External storage. Type. Basic. APK.
So if I tap on basic APK, for example, it will show me the apps that are using or that are basic APKs.
Target OS. 5. 7. 8. 8.1. 9.
The target OS.
12.
So if I tap, for example, on Android 12.
Android 12. Cameralizer.com. Factory camera.com. Higher service.com. Higher. Skit.
It shows me the apps that are targeting Android 12.
Minimum OS.
I'll keep it for you to explore the settings tab. So this was my demo of the Skit App Manager, the Pro version. I hope that it was useful. Thank you for listening.